What if we want to achieve the same with the repeat until as we would achieve with the repeat loop? How could we make this happen? So in the repeat we have a value, how many times do we want to repeat. In the repeat until we have a condition which can be true or false. So for this challenge we need to count how many times did we go through the cycle, how many times did we iterate through the loop, in other words. So we need a counter. In other words, we need a variable. Let's create a variable and call it the iterator. At the beginning, it will be 0. And every time we reach the end of our iteration, it's gonna be changed by 1, meaning that 1 will be added to the value of the iterator. Let's see what happens. Whoa, 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 whoa. And as you can see, the iterator was increasing over and over and over again, and it became bigger, 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 bigger. So it counts how many times do we go through the iteration, the loop. So what do we need to do here? We need to check whether we reached a certain point so we can stop. So we have in the operators something like this, which tells whether a value or variable equals to a value or variable. So in this case, we're gonna choose our variable, the iterator, equal to, let's say, 4, because we want to execute our loop 4 times. Let's see what happens. Whoa, 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 whoa! The iterator reached 4 and our loop just stopped.